Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the 110 outlets in the back of this 2021 Chevy Suburban. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps out a lot. So this has outlets right down here, but they can be they don't work unless you turn them on. So what you got to do is come up here to the dash, hit this button right here, and that'll turn your outlets on. Then you can use the 110 for charging your laptop or whatever you need. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave a comment down below to help the YouTube algorithm. And have a good one, guys.